cozy space.
Well, Andy and the rest of the folks taking a run this afternoon. What are we looking at? Long sleeves, maybe a little hoodie?
Yeah, a little bit of everything. You'll want the long sleeves, maybe even a rain poncho. We've got a lot moving through Southern California. You will definitely want to have the umbrella close by. You might not need it, but we're also talking about some thunderstorms to start the morning. You'll notice, taking a look at the radar, LA, Orange County, Ventura, mostly just seeing some light drizzle, but our mountains out into the low deserts, even parts of the IE starting to see a little bit of some light showers. Temecula also waking up to just a little bit of moisture, but our low deserts, that's where we've really been seeing activity this morning. Palm Springs, Indio, even up to 29 Palms, not only noticing that rainfall, but thunderstorms as well. Several lightning strikes over the course of the morning, so this area already seeing a lot of activity, and we're going to continue to see that over the course of the morning and into the afternoon. Right now, though, this is what most of us are starting off the morning with, those cloudy skies. So definitely, if you're heading out the door today, the windshield wipers will need to be working. You'll want the hat, you want the hood on the jacket. 66 degrees for you in downtown LA, and then a great shot looking out over the Angeles National Forest. You can see some high clouds there. Not noticing too much moisture right now. 54 degrees for you and sunny. But all of that's going to continue to change as we head into this afternoon, and it's thanks to this low pressure system. Now, this is a very unique low pressure system. It actually stopped by earlier in the week. It said hello. It brought us those thunderstorms we saw about midweek. Then it moved on out and retrograded back to Southern California, and it's bringing us round two of that monsoonal moisture and wet weather. So this wraparound moisture here, you can see that counterclockwise rotation, that's going to be moving through this afternoon and bringing us a chance for some scattered showers. So starting off the morning, cloudy skies, a little bit of drizzle. You can see some of that moisture starting to make its way into the mountains, even the Inland Empire, continuing in the low deserts. Also looking like our Ventura County mountains are going to see some scattered showers over the course of the morning. The other potential, of course, is thunderstorms. That is going to be something we're dealing with today, especially as we get that daytime heating. Now, could we see that activity make its way into the LA basin? It's a slight chance, but it is there. The potential to see just some of that wraparound moisture make its way a little bit closer into Los Angeles, and then moving on out by this evening. So tomorrow will start similar, but it's going to end a little differently. The one thing I want to point out, though, too, is starting at 11 a.m., we do have this flood watch going into place. This is going to be for higher elevations out toward the low deserts as well. Excessive rainfall from those storms will be possible. Most of us are only going to see a tenth of an inch or less. Again, it's just the spots that see that thunderstorm activity could see a little bit more. All right, so that low pressure going to move right on out, and look what comes our way. Drizzle to start your one up Thursday, Friday. Temperatures creeping back into the 80s. Valleys, Inland Empire, upper 70s today. Sunday coming in 82 and cooling to the 70s by Tuesday. We'll have more news coming on up after this break.